Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's my honor to introduce His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan. May Allah preserve all those people in the government that are working for the good of Pakistan. Inshallah, give them success and tawfiq. We're very fortunate. He was very kind to give us a short message about his support for Zaytuna, and also hopefully for future collaboration with their project, educational project in Pakistan. So it's my honor to introduce the Prime Minister, His Excellency Imran Khan. Allah ka shukr hai, Wazir Azam ka bhi shukr hai, bahut shukriya.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This message is especially for Muslims in North America. I would like all of you to support Zaytuna College, Sheikh Hamza's Zaytuna College, because I believe that it is imperative that us Muslims, we support knowledge centers. And Zaytuna College is, in my opinion, developing into that center which will impart knowledge to Muslims. I'm also interested in Zaytuna College because Al-Qadir University, which we are setting up near Jhelum in Pakistan, we hope to collaborate with Zaytuna College in the future. And we believe that this will develop Islamic thought. We feel that there is not enough work and research being done on Islamic thought, Islamic scholarship, in the life of the Prophet, in Sufism, concepts that need to be developed, and knowledge imparted to Muslims, because they need to be equipped to deal with the 21st century. And that can only happen if we lay emphasis on knowledge and research on Islamic subjects. Thank you.